How do recycled content materials directly reduce landfill waste? Imagine a world where less trash piles up and more materials get a second chance. That's what recycled content materials do in the building industry. Instead of throwing away used materials, they are collected, processed, and turned into new building supplies. This process keeps waste out of landfills and helps the environment. When we use recycled paper, metals, plastics, or glass in construction, we cut down on the amount of waste that would normally end up buried or dumped. This means fewer landfills fill up quickly, and less land is needed for waste disposal. Recycled content materials also replace the need for new raw materials. For example, recycling aluminum saves up to 95% of the energy needed to produce new aluminum from ore. Using recycled steel or reclaimed wood in homes and buildings means fewer trees are cut down and less waste is created during manufacturing. When manufacturers use recycled materials, they generate less waste because they skip some of the steps involved in making new products from scratch. This cycle of reuse shortens how long items stay in the waste stream. Landfills cause pollution to soil and water and releases greenhouse gases as organic waste decomposes without oxygen. Recycled content materials help reduce this problem by decreasing the waste that would otherwise break down in landfills. This saves space and cuts down on methane emissions, a greenhouse gas that speeds up climate change. In sustainable architecture and energy-efficient home building, choosing recycled materials also lowers the embodied energy, which is the total energy used to produce, transport, and install building materials. Using recycled steel, glass, or reclaimed wood means less energy is needed, which reduces the overall carbon footprint of the project. In practical terms, builders can include recycled insulation, drywall, and flooring in homes to cut down on construction waste. Using recycled metals and glass for fixtures and finishes also reduces the demand for virgin resources and helps keep waste out of landfills. Designing buildings to reuse or recycle materials at the end of their life keeps material flow circular and prevents waste from piling up. Overall, recycled content materials directly cut landfill waste by diverting used materials from disposal sites, reducing the need for new resources, and lowering environmental pollution. This approach supports sustainable building practices, saves space, and helps protect our planet for future generations.